The use of anti-personnel landmines in conflict zones has been prohibited by the Ottawa Convention since 1997. However, some armies continue to use them, and forgotten or lost landmines can pose a significant danger to local people.
Moreover, demining techniques such as the use of mine flares or manual demining are time-consuming and pose important threats to the safety of the miners. It is for these reasons that we have decided to develop a kit for drones that enables them to detect landmines, thus speeding up and securing the demining process.
The kit consists of a traditional camera and an infrared sensor to accurately identify mined areas.
The AI integrated into the kit allows for the identification of various types of mines, such as butterfly mines or anti-tank mines, and can be easily retrained using photos of mines printed in 3D.
Thank you for supporting our project and helping us create a safer world.